How to select all clips in Capcut Mobile. If you've ever been working on a Capcut project with tons of clips on the timeline and wished you could just select them all at once instead of tapping each one individually, this video is going to save you so much time and frustration. Welcome back. Today we're covering exactly how to select all clips in Capcut on your mobile device in 2026, so you can move, delete, or edit everything on your timeline faster and more efficiently. Let's get straight into it. Step 1. Open the CapCut app on your Android or iPhone and either start a new project or open an existing project that already has multiple clips on the timeline. Step 2. Once you're inside the editing screen, look at the bottom timeline where all your video clips are laid out in sequence. Step 3. Tap on the first clip in your timeline to select it. You will see it become highlighted with a white border around it indicating it is selected. Step 4. With the first clip selected, look at the bottom editing menu and scroll through the options until you find the edit option or look for a multi-select mode. In the latest version of CapCut, tap and hold on any clip in the timeline to activate the multi-select mode. Step 5. Once multi-select mode is activated, you will notice checkboxes or selection indicators appear on each clip in your timeline. Tap each clip you want to include in your selection, or look for a Select All button that appears at the top or bottom of the screen to instantly select every single clip on your timeline in one tap. Step 6. With all clips selected, you can now perform bulk actions across everything at once. This includes deleting all selected clips, adjusting the speed of all clips simultaneously, adding filters or effects across all clips at once, or copying the entire selection for use elsewhere in your project. Step 7. When you are done with your bulk edits, tap anywhere outside the selection or tap Done to exit multi-select mode and return to normal editing. Pro tip: if you want to select all clips to apply the same audio, filter, or color correction across your entire video at once, selecting all and using the batch edit feature is dramatically faster than editing each clip one by one. This is especially useful for long travel videos, vlogs, or any project where you want a consistent look and feel throughout the entire timeline. And that's your complete guide to selecting all clips in CapCut Mobile in 2026, a simple trick that makes editing so much faster and smoother. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing tricks and comment below what kind of videos are you editing in CapCut right now. I'd love to see what you're creating. See you in the next one, X.